Project code ITIMP 40. Project title multi-biometric system for security purpose using convolutional neural network. First, our aim of our project to make a security system with the help of biometrics. This is our biometric model. First, you taken a face image, and next fingerprint, finger vein, and finally iris. Once the our system is fully made the four biometric model. In previously they made a unibiometric model. The system is only a unibiometric like only a face or fingerprint or iris. Some limitation in unibiometric model. So we move for the multi-biometric model. In our system, we fully made with the help of CNN. CNN is a convolutional neural network, is a deep learning model. In existing, they use two models. One is face, another one is ECG data, and they also did the CNN model. So limitation. So the system not correct in 100% accurate. So it, time is more than our system. Our proposed concept we used in multi-biometric model with the human verification using convolutional neural network. In CNN, first you taken a face image with the help of camera, and next the face image is correctly run, and the person is authorized the the person is authorized mean automatically go for next biometric like finger vein, and the finger vein is correctly authorized mean the next biometric will automatically go for iris, and finally the person is authorized mean the next biometric final biometric is a fingerprint. Once this will be follow correctly mean the person is authorized, otherwise the person is unauthorized. The unauthorized person's images will be stored our database. Proposed advantage is a more accurate and a improved security, improved customer experience. In existing model, they used in face plus ECG data. They used the normalization techniques, fuse the model like face image with the fuse with ECG data, and finally the person is authorized or unauthorized it will be deducted. So the fusion model is not suitable for 100% output. In our proposed model, we use in CNN. CNN is a convolutional neural network model. Is a deep learning. Here we used in different layers. First of all, input layer, and second, hidden layer, and third, output layer. In input layer, our input image will be uploaded, and next the hidden layer it consists of three layers. One is convolutional layer, ReLU layer, and a pooling layer. Our output layer is a fully connected layer. With the help of this layer, we detect the features from the images. With the help of these features, finally we classify the person is authorized or not. It's a black diagram. So input different biometric images. So like face, fingerprint, iris, finger vein. And next pre-processing step. In pre-processing step, we done with resize all the images in same size. It's a must for need CNN. And next CNN layer creation. And next training the data with the help of CNN. With the help of these features, finally we classify the authorized person or unauthorized person. Application, so mainly for online banking, computer login, border crossing, smart homes, and e-voting. In future, they used a new biometric model, and also they used new feature algorithms. Software used MATLAB 2018A is enough for the project. Why using this software mean? It's a easy to read and understandable language. So we use it in this software to that project. And next, it consists many toolbox. We used the machine learning and deep learning toolbox. So hardware requirement 64-bit OS is enough. Conclusion. So our project done with the help of CNN. Thank you.